Good morning friends, welcome to our new YouTube channel Doorstep Garden. Today is 8th March and today is the date of to serve liquid fertilizer to our Aglaonema plant. Many of my friends and customers always asking that what is the best fertilizer or best foliar spray for Aglaonema. In my point of view, I always use this NPK Basfoliar 1919 Compo Expert. It's made in Germany and it is imported in India and available in online. This is best foliar spray and best fertilizer for Aglaonema plant. You can use this fertilizer to any kind of indoor plant, outdoor plant, fruit plant and vegetable plants also. It has NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium in 19-19-19 ratio, and it has also boron, zinc, manganese and iron. So this is the complete plant food for indoor plant or Aglaonema plant. I always use this fertilizer for my Aglaonema twice in a month in summer and once in a month in winter. This is very costly NPK. Generally we use very lowest cost of NPK which is available in local market easily. That's cost around 150 to 160 per kg. But this NPK 1 kg price is approx 500 rupees. Yes, 1 kg 500 rupees. Look at the color of this NPK is olive green. Look at the color. Olive green, very beautiful color, and its dosage is 3 gram per liter. If you want to foliar spray, then you have to take 3 gram per liter. This is my sprayer container. Its capacity is 2 liter. So I have to take 6 gram in 2 liter water. This is the huge big tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon it contains 6 to 8 gram. 1 tablespoon contains 6 to 8 gram. It's a water soluble fertilizer and it's easily dissolved in water within a second. Now shake it well before use. That's all. It's totally dissolved in the water. It's ready, and now spray to your plants. Not only spray, total bath to your plants. Give total bath, not only spray. You receive the best result within 1 month, because I received the result from this NPK. give total birth to your all plants. And this product is not harmful, because if you take little bit high dose but no effect to the plants. Look at the foliage, huge, big and shinier leaves. Before I use various types of NPK, but I have received the best result using this Buzzfoliar 19-19-19 Compo Expert, and I am again telling you that this is my personal review and sharing with you, and this is not any advertising video, and I am not promoting to any company. I opened the original packet and kept in a airtight container, so it is till now fully dry and okay. And one more thing, that you can use this NPK fertilizer as a foliar spray to your snake plant also. And you can see the result within 1 month after using this product. You will see that green leaves will more green and colorful leaves will more colorful within 1 month, because I received the best result to using this product. Give spray bath in this way to your plants. Provide full bath. And at last, we are new on the YouTube, so please support us, please subscribe our channel, like our video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notification when we upload any new video. Please like, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. We'll meet you soon.